Hi guys, today we are going to talk about the Lab 7 because last time the file that I received is different with the files that the professor uploaded on Canvas so this week I make it a little bit late to confirm that we have the same file. Okay, so before that, let me talk about something because some students ask me questions about Excel of my step is different with their step. There are many reasons for it, like I'm using MacBook, you are using Windows, or I'm using the desktop version and you are using the online version. It all causes this issue. So if you can download the desktop version, you need to download it because the online version maybe some functions are prohibited. So it's not good to use the online version. And if you have any issues, please email me rather than notice me on Canvas because most of the time I need to log in the Canvas. Then I can see you notification, but I will not receive the Canvas notification automatically, even though I have the Canvas app on my Mac, on my iPad and iPhone. I cannot receive the notification. And if you have any questions regarding the lab 6 and 7, please email me. I can give you the Zoom link or you can go to my lab session and ask me questions. But maybe it's not good for you guys to make it the last day. Otherwise, because I go to sleep very early, like 10 o'clock, so I cannot reply you very quick. And it may let you miss the deadline. Okay, so let's get started. Firstly, you may need to download the Lab 7 PDF and the Lab 7 Excel file. And you may notice that Lab 7 and Lab 6 questions are very similar, just to invert the pivot table and compare the earning between majors and the private public schools. Okay, then let's get started. Step 1, just to download the file. Step 2, select A to G and insert pivot table to a new worksheet. So for this one, we go to step 3. We may need to select four variables: control, CIPDSC, CRED, and earn. And the earn one to the values, CIPDSC to filters, control to columns, and CREDDSC leave rows. But the value of earn, you need to change it to average and then press OK, and you will get this table. And then finish step 3, go to step 4. In the column label filter, deselect all and select private, non-profit, public. And for the row labels, deselect all, select the bachelor degree and the master degree. And you will have this table. And you copy this table, paste, paste. And you find you find 3 tables about it. And then we need to use these 3 tables to help us to understand 3 majors. Firstly, select this column, deselect all, and choose the major of economics. Okay. And second, deselect all, choose the major of statistics. And this one, deselect all, choose the major of business. Business administration and management. Then you can have this one, right? According to this one, you need to fill the table 4 because you need to rank this one. So let me show you how to rank it. So firstly, what's the largest number among these 3 tables? You can find this one is the largest number. So for this one, 8 from the statistics, bachelor degree, and private nonprofit university, right? And so this is rank 1. And then we find the second largest number here. For this one is also statistics and master's degree and the private nonprofit table. And if you do the things one by one, you can find the first 6 highest earning for which major, which university, which degree. Okay, so this is the answer for table 4. So because last time I noticed that some students just make a screenshot of it and then submit. Actually, this is not allowed. So you may notice that you got some deductions of it. So please do not do it because this is my version, okay? And then you can rank it here. This is your table 4. Of course, you can give a title of it. And also you need to copy and paste the 3 original tables that we get here. According to these 4 tables, we can answer the following question. The second one, for which major is different in mean earning between the private and the public university the smallest? Why do you think that may be the case? So let me show you how to count it. For which major is what's the difference between the private and public? Okay, for example, for economics, the private and public's grand total, the difference would be this value subtract this value, right? And you can find the difference of the economics. And also for statistics, you use this value for the private school and subtract the public school's value, right? And for business administration, find this value, subtract this value. And you can find the difference among 3 majors, and you can find that the smallest difference is the business administration. This is the answer that I give to you, but actually this is the open question. You can have your own answer, of course. This is just my short answer. Okay, and then for question 3, which major is the difference in mean earning between the bachelor and master degree the smallest? So, okay, so for example, for economics, the bachelor degree's grand total is this value, and the master degree's grand total is this value. So you use these 2 values to find the difference for economics between the bachelor's degree and master's degree, right? So also for statistics, these 2 values different. For business, these 2 values different. And you can find the answer. The smallest is the economics. And the reason is the open question that is maybe because the bachelor degree in master is already high valued in the market, job market. So the added value of the master degree would be very small. And for question 4, discuss the patterns in economic major. So actually, this is also the open question, but you may need to calculate the difference between the master degree and the bachelor degree between private and public school. So this is my answer, but of course, you can have your own explanation of it. And for question 5, discuss the pattern in table 4. Based on this chart, do you think the degree level institution tab or major had the largest impact on earning? Also, the open question. You can find your own patterns, then you can discuss, you can have your own opinion. But this is my suggestion, my short answer. Also, for question 6, I will not give you answer because which one is the most surprising to you? Everyone have his everyone has everyone's own answer. Okay, so this is the open answer. You can just show your opinion when you look at the table and show and let me know which one is the most surprising for you. Okay. So actually this is all for lab 7 and the things that you may need to uh, be careful that do not copy and paste the screenshot of video. Otherwise, you may get the deduction. You need to practice it by yourself to learn Excel because it would be very important for you guys to learn Excel very well. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.